This stunning cabin, nestled on 2 private lots, offers year-round mountain views that will take your breath away. Enjoy 3 generously sized bedrooms and 3 well-appointed bathrooms with live edge counters. The main floor includes a bedroom, bathroom, and convenient laundry facilities. The modern kitchen boasts custom cabinetry, solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, a wine refrigerator, farmhouse sink and soft close cabinets. Large dining area includes a farm table. Cathedral ceilings, stone fireplace, and hardwood floors create an inviting and cozy atmosphere. The upstairs primary bedroom offers a private bath, walk-in closet, and French doors leading to a private balcony. The finished terrace level features a 3rd bedroom, full bath.